Hello guys, this is Alex here today with you. I'm streaming from my home, and despite these turbulent times and a lot of uncertainty surrounding every one of us these days, it's still Thursday and we're still running our ScandiPWA weekly community session with merchants. And today we have several topics to discuss. I'll first start with the latest ScandiPWA updates. Then we'll cover how ScandiPWA can help your business right now in these times. And then we will cover one claim: is it possible to have a PWA store launched in 2 weeks? So let's move to updates. If you are not subscribed to our newsletter, make sure to check ScandiPWA blog on Medium. You'll have the same content delivered to you every week. And this week we have quite a lot of news actually, starting from updated user guide or updated ScandiPWA wiki. Then we have a new release, ScandiPWA 2.10, with several new features like creating an account in checkout, tire price promotion, a lot of bug fixes. We will talk about this in detail a bit later. Also, ScandiPWA was covered in new issue of Magin magazine. This magazine is available online for free. Make sure to check description box below and read this article. And also, we have interesting updates for you. On Monday, we have an updated ScandiPWA Cloud, and you will be able to request your free ScandiPWA Cloud demo. Um, so here's how the form looks like. So we are going to roll out very important release. ScandiPWA Cloud will be more powerful, more secure, and starting from next Monday, March 23rd, everyone will be able to find this block on scandipwa.com site. All you need to do is to fill in this form, providing your email address and preferred subdomain, and you'll get your own copy of ScandiPWA Cloud demo instance deployed in some 10 minutes with an extended trial while we're operating in beta. I have recorded a short tutorial on how to do that, so make sure to check the description and watch this tutorial. And of course, we are talking with a lot of merchants right now, and we see uncertainty. Some of them are reporting that the amount of orders has declined. Some of them are actually reporting that they see a huge demand, and it's different for everyone, but one is clear: you have to adapt, and you have to react fast. So leverage ScandiPWA to make your business grow right now. And let's talk about this claim. Some merchants are asking if it's possible to launch a PWA site in 2 weeks, if it's even possible. We see that a lot of businesses from offline now are searching for online platform and ability to sell their products and services, and of course they want to do this as fast as possible. And yes, this is actually possible. Why? Because ScandiPWA has a lot of features supported right now. It is the most evolved and feature-rich PWA solution at the moment. We have more than 300 Magento features available. And when we talk about this, a lot of people are probably missing the point that all these features are already available on the front-end side. For example, we support a lot of carrier providers, the most popular ones like FedEx, UPS, DHL. We have a lot of popular payment solution supported already, like Klarna, Braintree, PayPal, Stripe. Naturally, check and money order is supported. We do support multi-stores, so you can configure payment methods per website if you have several. Also, payment methods sort order is supported in checkout. And during the one of the previous community session, I demonstrated an example of browsing on ScandiPWA demo store, and I demonstrated that one of the stores already had Klarna implemented, so you can check one of our previous videos to see this in action. And of course, new features are coming out. As already mentioned, last week we had a new release. So 6 days ago, we released ScandiPWA 2.10 with several new features like creating an account in checkout, promotion note for tire pricing, rating attribute visibility and sort order support, reset filters button now available when there is no results found. Also, we have fixed a lot of bugs. Make sure to check the link in the description to see a detailed feature breakdown with some examples, visual examples of new features. So lately we have releases coming out almost every 2 weeks. So there are several releases per month, and of course all the features that we are implementing, we are also updating our roadmap. Check the description box for the updated PDF file with our roadmap that contains all the features that are already supported on the PWA's front end, and also those features that are upcoming. And extension marketplace, we're still working. We're working hard to make it available as soon as possible, so that in case you need to implement a certain extension, you do not have to spend a lot of resources on development, on hiring developers. You will be able to install your required extension in some clicks from the marketplace. And if you have a Magento store already, probably you're wondering, okay, I'm interested, how can I check this? And maybe you are afraid to commit right now. That's actually great that you have a Magento store. What we can offer is to migrate your products and categories to a demo store. Reach out to us and we will help you to migrate your products. You will have your own ScandiPWA Cloud instance with your products, with your categories, with all the information you have, so we can preview how your business will look like on this powerful PWA site, and you will be able to run your store straight away, run your PWA store straight away. So this is the link. Visit ScandiPWA.com, and starting from this Monday, you will be able to request your own store or contact us right now. Also, reach out to us. Probably you will need some help with updating your site, and most likely you will have your own requirements. We will help you to find partner, the closest partner in your region. Right now we have a list of official partners on scandipwa.com/partners. All these agencies are already working with ScandiPWA solutions, so either created a store with ScandiPWA theme or contributed to the open source theme. Reach out to us and we will help you. And for example, ScandiWeb, one of the partners, has a lot of experience working with worldwide known brands, so you can be confident in quality. This is actually it. It was a short session today. Here's my contacts. Feel free to reach out in case you have any questions. Stay safe and see you next week. Bye.